Hey everybody, it's your favorite YouTuber and teacher about the pop culture opening. The number one YouTuber world. It's time for my review. Sorry, let's get together. Sorry. Sorry about that. The Big Daddy Chicken Patty. Now, the Big Daddy Chicken Patty is this movie that this guy is macking and everything. But before I can get to the review, I do go shout to the Knife Legend. Your video is awesome, buddy. Keep up the good work. Now, the Big Daddy Chicken Patty was a good movie. It's a romantic comedy. He's trying to get the piece of the pie. He's a player. He's awesome and everything. Big Daddy Chicken Patty was a great movie and everything. On a scale 199, I guess it was 188. Now please subscribe to my YouTube channel and teach about Popcorn Open. The number one YouTuber in the world. You can follow me on Twitter.com 450, Instagram 420, Facebook.com, and teach all shares, share with your friends and family know. Click on notification and do come on for more fun. So far I got 594 subs. Woohoo! Getting that 6 to 600. The road to 600 subs continue. You can follow me on community tabs. I do a podcast on Anchor FM. I do trailer reactions, reviews, singing, VHS opening and closing, a lot of stuff. Clips, unboxing, everything. I just want to say RIP to I just want to say RIP to Takeoff. Now, Takeoff was a rapper that got shot to death and everything. RIP. And I just want to say happy birthday to TEC, the Eric community. Now, TEC does movies. He does every day with his blog. Happy birthday, buddy. Anthony, out.